Hey guys, shaFs here. So today I'm gonna show you a setup based on the new Batman. So this setup is purely made on Xiaomi's theme app. So before showing you that, do subscribe if you haven't. And now without further ado, let's get started. So firstly we'll go to the launcher settings and change the layout to 5 and the icon size to 0. Now we will add the first clock widget. This step is important. Remember the first one, because every time you apply any theme to the home page, the clock will be changed to that themed clock. Now we are all set to download the themes. So this setup is based on multiple themes. So the first theme we're gonna download is called Batman GX. This theme is for the home screen and lock screen. So we will apply it to those two. For the second theme, we will download the Lux Red and apply it to system and icons. Now we'll go back to the home screen. As you can see here, the clock widget has changed to this Batman themed clock. Now for the wallpapers, so I will give you the 3 options. You can choose any one of these. So the choice is yours to make. All the links of these wallpapers will be in the description. You can download it from there. After applying the wallpaper, we will just adjust the icons. Now your setup is complete. So that's it from my end. Hope you enjoyed. And if you did, then do like and subscribe. And also follow me on my Instagram. This is shaFs and I will see you in the next one.